RJD Technology, that's one of the brand names of the pressure monitoring. We can put a sensor in the mold and it measures from start to stop on that cavity pressure in the mold as the injection pressure hits the cavity of the tool. What the technology does is it integrates the pressure over time. It gives you an integral of the amount of fill in the mold, and when it hits that amount with high and low limits, that tells you that you've got a full part in the mold and it's good to go.
A lot of our competition do not integrate the RJG technology.
It guarantees that you've got good parts coming out of the mold.
It'll give us graphs that we can set high and low limits on the process, and that will guarantee us that we are not shipping a bad product to our customer.
If you're looking for a new medical molder, you should be looking for somebody that's got the horsepower and the facilities that can make the products that you're looking for.